cracking view out over the north edge of Kinder Scout there now. Nice dusting of snow on the sides. Just under 6 kilometres in now, looking back the way we came, and you can see over the edges, Derwent Edge, Bamford Edge, Sandwich Edge. Rather splendid sight of Alport Castles just coming into view now. I'm just sitting down out the wind for a few minutes, just admiring that view. It's amazing. On the internet it said the wind chill was supposed to be about -4 degrees Celsius, and I can well believe that, and maybe a bit more. But yeah, well worth the climb. Just over 7 kilometres up to here, so only about 4.5 miles. Not just the tower, you've got amazing views right back over to Kinder as well. About 100 metres after Alport Castles, you'll see a sign, and the path just bears right down towards Howden Reservoir. Ooh. Yeah, just stopping for a few minutes to take pictures there with your gloves off, and fingers were getting really bitten. So yeah, I think that wind chill was about right, or might be a little bit worse. I know it was saying wind chill of -12 for Black Hill. As we start to drop down towards Howden Reservoir, the views are out across the wilds of Bleaklow, where many airmen have perished. And you can say that for all of the Dark Peak, to be honest. There's not many stretches without their own air crash or two, mainly from the days when navigational aids were a lot more primitive. It's very peaceful up here today. Past one walking group. Say there was half a dozen, and a couple more groups of 2. But other than that, got the place to myself, and it's yeah, really peaceful. Well, I don't think it's ever going to be a warm day, but it's certainly a bit less chilly down here amongst the trees, out of the wind. We're about 6 miles in now, and just making our way down towards Howden Reservoir. Might be a flat stretch, but it's still very pleasant today because it's very quiet. There's not many people about at all. I think that was the police helicopter, either helping out with mountain rescue probably, or keeping an eye out for dopes lighting fires and barbecues and all the other nonsense that they seem to be so keen on doing these days. Down to Howden Dam now. Just by Derwent Reservoir now, with Upper Derwent Dam just in the distance. You won't be able to see it yet. I was just reading a sign about Birchinley village, which was an entire village set up for the navvies who built the chain of reservoirs down here, and that sort of structure built into the ground there was the beer cellar for the canteen, which was obviously very popular with the navvies. And the sign said that the original landlords got thrown out by the navvies because they started trying to restrict the amount of beer they could drink. Nice view back up to Howden Dam behind me there. Just coming round and should be able to see Upper Derwent Dam shortly. Just down to Upper Derwent Dam now. Can't tell whether it's overflowing or not, but got to be close to the top. Clouded over quite a bit now. It's probably about 80-85% cloud cover, so definitely did the right thing by getting up early, because it's only midday now and I've had the best of the day. So just on the last stretch now, just down by the upper end of Ladybower Reservoir, and we'll be around about 18 kilometres by the time we get back to the van. So just over 11 miles. It's been a really lovely walk, but on the chilly side you don't want to be taking your gloves off. I'll put a link to the route down below on the OS Maps app so you can take a look. But yeah, it's been a cracking walk. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and if you have enjoyed it and you want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and maybe if you'd give it a thumbs up as well, that'd be really helpful. So with that, I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you on the next video, whether it's a walk or maybe even a bit of camping coming up soon, who knows. See you folks.